Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. I would like to start by saying my apologies for not uploading. I am back and I pray that I am consistent. However, let us start ngothando nesithembu. Yazi-ke yini engingayi-understandanga and ngiqala ngingangishayi ngoba nina uma Ngwabe uthe uyahamba, right? And I was convinced when she prepared the girl, Jeluguti, this is the situation, and the girl speaking with, you know what, I know my father, how he speaks of you, and right? And we were all emotional at that point, ukuthi konje vele le show abantwana bayibukela nan, right? Excuse me. So now, go family meeting lay a trip, uma Ngwabe ulapho. They're discussing self-catering. They're discussing all these things. Is she expected to finish the season before she leaves, or what? Because now they're going to a family trip. Understand, Ama? Is she expected to finish the season? Is she expected to tick all the boxes? Can't she just pack her bags and leave and say, Bona, I'm done? And then whatever that she needs to record, she will record from Egibo or Gwake in her new home. Because at this point, it looks like Ugo is not a woman of her word. Because Usaya Petripin, or is this part of the production's expectation, maybe for her to get her paycheck? I don't know, guys. What do you think?